feeling like you need a little break, maybe feeling like today's just not been the day for calm, we're going to talk about a super simple breathing technique that you can use to help regulate. Hi, my name is Tara and this is Wellness with Tara. I hope you are doing well today. The last couple of videos we've talked about different ways that we can work on slowing our breathing down, on putting our body more into a relaxation response. And today I want to talk about a very specific type of breathing that you can do that in. It's called 4-7-8 breathing. Now, there's a variety of different ways that you can do even this one specific way of breathing, but I'm going to keep my ways of describing these very simple, knowing that they will still help regardless of which modification of these types of breathing techniques you may take, okay? So if you're curious and it works well for you and you want to search more and get more details, look it up. You can Google 4-7-8 breathing and find all kinds of helpful information. So 4-7-8 breathing is a specifically typed count of breathing. So if we have an inhale for 4, so you're going to breathe in 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to hold at the top for 7. You hold for a count of 7. And then on the reverse end, you're going to exhale for a count of 8. And then it starts all over again. So you breathe in for 4, hold for 7, exhale for 8. Super simple, right? Well, obviously, if you try this, maybe pause this video or check it out once this video is done. When you breathe in and then hold, if you're not used to doing this, holding for a count of 7 may feel really long, or exhaling for a count of 8 may feel really long. Like, I don't have enough breath to exhale for a count of 8. Don't stress out about it. Practice it slowly. If you need to start by doing maybe 4, 5, 6, then do 4, 5, 6. Do what you can to work your way up and just experiment and see how you feel. And then after doing this maybe 4 or 5 times, that 4, 7, 8 breath, ask yourself, notice, how do I feel? What does my body feel like right now? Do I feel calmer? Do I feel like I've been able to bring my stress level down a little bit? I don't know. You'll have to tell me. So let me know your thoughts and check out the last 2 videos that I've recorded on this topic with more to come. Take care.